for all those who are running for public office. Pakinggan po niyo yung sinasabi ni Lord ngayon. You say that you love God. If you love God, the Lord tells you, feed your constituents. Don't steal from them. If you love God, tend my sheep. Protektahan niyo sila. Yung interest nila, huwag yung interest ninyo. Para umangat sila. Sila ang aangat, taong bayan. And feed my sheep. Continue to give them your good example, your good brand of service. Napakaliwanag po. Mama Mary, mahal po ninyo ang Pilipinas. Huwag po niyo pa kaming pababayaan. Give us good, honest, self-sacrificing leaders, O Lord.